So it's another Rustic cabin weekend. It's the end of January. We're heading up to the Upper Peninsula to stay at a Rustic cabin. It's about a 6-hour drive. We'll be stopping at a few stops along the way. We got 7 guys heading out this morning, and follow along, see what a good time we have. Well, we're here at the Mackinac Bridge. We're on the Mitten side, gonna head over to the Upper Peninsula in a little bit. Just taking a stop and taking a look. You can see a little bit of ice, but overall the water's still open. So could be a nice little fun drive. It's not too windy, so we're gonna have some fun. So we had to park out by the road. We've got about a quarter-mile hike into the cabin. I've got my new ice fishing sled with my first round of stuff. I gotta make 2 trips. It's kind of nice nestled in the forest, not too much wind, pretty quiet. Wind in the trees, and it's a pretty nice day. About 25 degrees. I think we're gonna have a good time. About 2:15 on Saturday. We had a good morning breakfast of waffles with some creme fraiche, some dill, some cold smoked salmon, and some caviar. Josh made it. It was really good. We're just kind of sitting out here, seeing if we can catch any fish out on the lake. No luck so far. They don't seem to be wanting to bite. Got a few tip-ups set up, and we're going to be starting to cook dinner coming up. Well, no luck so far. We're gonna take a little break. We're gonna heat up some rocks and see if we can maybe make a sauna. We've got this great idea of using shrink wrap to build a little room out between some trees and get some rocks nice and hot and see if we can make a little sauna out in the middle of the wonderful Upper Peninsula. So we'll see how it goes. We'll cut a door and then get in there and pack down the So it's time for the sauna. We're going to be going getting the rocks, put them in the bucket, putting them in the shelter, and seeing if we can generate some steam. We'll see if our backwood bushcraft sauna actually works out. So let's see. I think that's it.
Doable again, I bet.
So we've successfully
These rocks have a lot of
made a sauna in the middle of the UP. This is awesome.
There's room! Well, you know. It's big. Yeah. I took one swing.
Well, we had a pretty good weekend. 7 guys up in the UP for the first time. Had some really good meals. We built an outdoor sauna, heated up some rocks, and had a lot of steam. Tried to do some ice fishing, didn't catch a fish, but it's a good weekend. Really like these trips. Gets you out in the cold, change of pace. Everything's really quiet with the snow, so I really enjoy it. I'm glad I can get to go.